Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a die in Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a 3D design program in which you can design your own designs, make whatever you want. You can make a phone case, you can make a computer case, whatever you want really. And you can design them, and they have a handful of tutorials that they offer you to learn, the basics of Tinkercad, help you design your own things, get more creative with it. And one of these lessons is called Die on a Work Plane. That's the one we're going to be doing today. So this lesson is not too hard, but it shows you some good tools that you can use to make your own designs. All right, let's get into it. So they have these helpful tutorials here. They tell you what to do here. So it's pretty straightforward. So this lesson is all about the work plane and how to make it work for you. Die is almost done. You just need to add up the numbers 5 and 6. Go ahead and look around using the camera functions or your mouse. So you can right click and scroll to view the work plane you have right now. You can highlight things using the left click, and then you can use these tools in the corner here to zoom in or to move up and down. You can use this to zoom in. You can also use your mouse scroll bar if you have one. And so first thing we need to do is we need to move the work plane to the side of the die. So we go over here to the side and drag the work plane where it says us to. So now the work plane's on this side, so it can make it a lot easier for us to place like a number on it. So the work plane, it's going to appear as if you're sitting in front of the die. So kind of like a first person view here. So now we need to go to the numbers and find the number 5. All right, here it is. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to drag it over to the die, and we're going to place it where the orange outline is. Just make sure it's all level there. All right. Next, because the 5 is sitting in front of the die, we need to make a few adjustments. So let's go ahead and scale down the height to 1 millimeter. So we're going to do that so the number is level with the surface that it is on, just sticking out slightly. So we're going to do this. Go ahead, put it at, can't see the number, sorry. Go ahead and put that at 1 millimeter, like the other ones. So we can repeat the previous steps. We can go ahead and move the work plane to the top of the die now. Where is it? All right, right up here. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the top of the die. You just got to move the camera where you want to place the work plane. Now we're going to go down and grab the 6 now from the numbers. We're going to go ahead and put that right there. Try and get it center as possible. That's not center. All right, that's pretty darn good. So now we got to scale it down to the height of 1 millimeter. It's at 4 right now. Just make sure it's not going the other way. It's 1 millimeter facing up from the surface. So we did all that. Now we got to drag the work plane to an empty spot to just reset it. So go ahead, drag it there. Easiest way to get it back there. Now we can select all the items using the left click on your mouse and group them by pressing the group button in the toolbar menu. Now when you move this, the numbers will all move with it. And that's it. So I hope you guys hope this made you interested in Tinkercad, and maybe you will make your own designs with it. But I definitely recommend going through some of the tutorials to help you before you do that.